So today we are going to repaint this MC Swag LOL doll into Akali from League of Legends. This one works out well because it had a baseball cap already, so it's easy to make a change. But first, we're going to require to spray everything black. No, not everything, just the doll. Okay, right, once everything is sprayed black and the inside of the hat as well, we're going to start with the mask. So I'm just using a foam clay, but you can use Sculpting if you like, or some form of plasticine. Just make a triangular shape, add it to the face as the mask, make sure everything's fine before you move on. Okay, now to do the side of the hair, just add those in there. Now this stuff sticks pretty well to the doll or to whatever you're putting it on without any kind of glue. I just used a little bit of crazy glue here just to hold it in place. Just be careful when using glue, make sure you ask an adult for help. Now working on the trim for the sneakers. Again, all the paints that I'm using are bog standard acrylics you can pick up from the dollar store. This one was a little bit lumpy. You can always thin it down with water, but you may need to add 2 or 3 coats to get a nice finish. I was just showing here what you can do with what I had to hand, a cheap paintbrush, an old paintbrush in fact, some old paints. Just adding a little bit of gold here to the sneakers, to the tongue, the laces. Okay, with the hat, we start off by adding gold trim to the brim and the KDA symbol in gold. Now if you make a mistake putting the symbol on the hat with the gold and it's not exactly straight, you can use a little bit of black, just like I'm doing here, just to touch up those lines. Now I'm going to go over the mask with a little bit of black, just to finish that look, just to give it a little bit of a shine. Okay, just painting on the rest of the mask here, just at the sides. Just being nice and careful, just as careful as you can be. If you make a mistake, it's not a problem. You can always work on those lines. Okay, just adding extra eyelash volume here. Just to give her Akali's eyelash look here. Just working over the eyes with gold here. Okay, I added purple highlights and white highlights to the eyes, adding the teeth effect to the mask. Okay, now we're going to work on the hair. We're going to give it a base coat of black. This is going to help a little bit later on when we add the next color, so it gives it a little bit of shadow. Just keep your eyes out for that. Using a small brush now to finish off those finer strands and details. Cover up as much of that yellow as you can see. Clipping off the sleeves of the jacket with a pair of scissors. Again, ask a parent for help. Working on the gloves now. Awesome fingerless gloves. One done, and 2. Okay, we're adding a cool metallic reddish pink This paint actually sits well quite over the black. Again, we're going to go close to the hairline, but we're going to leave a little bit of black just around the hairline. This gives it a little bit of shadow to the hairline. Her bodysuit's going to go over her pants anyway. We're going to put her aside to dry and we're going to work on the jacket. She has a round emblem on the jacket, so I'm going to try and squeeze these 4 parts together to get as round as I can. Now we're going to add the gold trim that runs all the way around the jacket. This is the same gold we used on the sneakers. Again, if you make any mistakes while you're doing this line work, you can just use the purple from the jacket to quickly and neatly just touch those up. Just working your way right round the back now. Almost there, almost finished. Got the gold cuffs on and the belt straps and the belt buckle. That's super cool looking heart shape. The dragon emblem, again using the same gold just on the back. This one was a little bit tricky as I had to push the jacket together. There she is, all the pieces done and painted. Now we're going to take Modge Podge and we're just going to slap this on, go right over everything. But the Modge Podge is actually going to dry clear. If you don't have any Modge Podge, you could use PVA glue. And we're just gonna not worry about being too neat and tidy. We're gonna go for everything that was painted and overlap onto what wasn't painted, just to seal it good and proper. Not forgetting the shoes. And lastly, the hat. Give it a good coat or two. And there she is, done! Akali from KDA, MC Swag from LOL. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.